Prep2 students, welcome back to our online courses. Today we are going to speak about the projects or the researches demanded by the Ministry of Education. For Prep2 and for the prep stage in general, we have three main topics and we shall choose one of those. Before you start to work at the project, you have to get your code, of course you know that, and you can form a group, maximum of 4 students, you plus 3 of your friends. Then you have to decide which topic you are going to have. We have mainly 3 topics. We have one about improving the scientific and technological environment, another one about the overpopulation and food security, and the third one about environment. Most of the researches are done in Arabic language, but we will use about 40 till 60 words in English. You can write them in a paragraph or in an idea, or use English words in some English words in your writing. The government also gave us a template in which we can write like using the Microsoft Word, and then we can upload it on the website. I will speak about the topics themselves. I'm not sure about how to upload these ones, and I guess a lot of people are confused about this part. Here, we need to choose at the beginning. You choose the topic and use the points for this topic. Every topic has some main points I have to do. Then you must use what you have studied. You collect your books, especially the SSA, the Social Studies in Arabic, and Science and Arabic Language. You'll find a lot of information. Also, you can check some websites online, like the Knowledge Bank, the Egyptian Knowledge Bank. You'll find a lot of information. And I said you can form a group. We have the 3 topics here. The first one is improving the scientific and technological environment. Scientific and technological progress is an important way to the progress of countries according to what you have studied and the resources that you have, do a research which should include. Your research should include these points. If you write about that, this one, improving the scientific and technological environment, you must have a survey of how to use the technology in farming, including the use of sound waves to increase the production of crops and protect them and farming crops all the year. You should also have plans for a project that uses technology in the field of farming or the field of sound waves, and show the benefits of the project to the society with the use of what you have studied in math. Then you can design a poster using the geometric shapes that you have studied to show the effects of technology in our life in Arabic language, and in another language, of course, we'll use English. So in this part, you can use English in this poster. Then imagine that you are responsible of managing the resources of the Arabic world and write the problems that face the Arabic world concerning these resources in different fields and the efforts of the countries to save them. Then suggest a solution to this problem that is based on using technology. Then I have the second topic, the overpopulation and food security. Population increase has positive effects and negative effects, and it has a strong relation with food security. According to what you have studied and available resources, do a research which should include a clarification of the relationship between the overpopulation and food security, giving examples from Islamic history for providing food for people, and more examples to the effects of sound waves in the field of population. Then we must write a guiding painting in Arabic and another language. Of course, here we use English. That includes suggestions to solve the problem of overpopulation. So here we can use English. You give some suggestions in this painting to solve the problem of overpopulation. Then another point, a search of the algebraic amount, this is in math of course, and using them to count the number of births and deaths, boys and girls. Then use what you have studied in math to present this data and predict the number of population in future through the current rates. And at the last one, also you can use English. Write a short essay in Arabic to raise awareness in your current society about the negative effects of overpopulation, and then translate some sentences into another language. So I can use English here in the two parts, here the guiding paint and here the short essay. And in the first part also I can use English in the poster. Okay, what about the third topic, the environment? Environment has a lot of continuous interactive elements. That every phenomenon is affected by a number of elements, starting from chemical reactions that are done in labs and the economical activities in the society. According to what you have studied and the available resources, the research which should include your research about environment should include the sound waves and their positive and negative effects on the environment, some problems that the Arab world faces and how to overcome them by using technology. Then using the different geometric shapes in manufacturing ceramics and count the size of every shape. This is also in math. The next point in which we can use English, which is writing a guiding painting in Arabic and another language will use English. That includes suggestions to save the environment. Then the next one, use what you have studied in math to calculate or make a graph showing an aspect of your research. The last one, write a short essay to explain the information concepts attained through your research. Here I have like the template, and I have also the number of the words. Number of words, the summary must be 70 till 80 words, and the topic itself must include 700 to 800 words, and we can use English language between 40 and 60 words. For example, you have to decide to write about the environment. How can you do it? I said at the beginning, you must get your code. Then you must form a group, and then you decide which subject or which topic you will write about. Then you must collect the resources like the school books or the website that you want to use. For example, we have chosen, to write about the environment. How can you manage the page, or how can you write it? If you have a laptop, for example, and you are using Microsoft Word. Here, for example, the second prep stage, and this is you choose the environment. In the title, you will not write the same title, the environment you will create, or you will write an attractive title. Okay, then here you will write your quotes like student number 1, student number 2, students number 10, number 4. You will write your names and your quotes. Then you will write the introduction, which must be 70 till 80 words. Then you will go to the topic itself, which must be 700 to 800 words. Then you can write here the posters or the painting and the next pages. And at the end you will write the results, and at the last page you write your resources. Like, for example, if you are using the school books or some websites, you can write all of them. I know a lot of you are confused about that, but what you have to do now just to search the resources and try to write about the topic that you have chosen. About uploading the researches, we will have more information later to clarify this situation. I wish you the best of luck. If you have any question, kindly contact me. I wish you the best of luck and take care. Goodbye.